What if I told you that most beginning day traders are making it way harder than it needs to be? I'm about to show you the one strategy that could have turned $500 into $1,700 using nothing but your morning coffee break and this ridiculously simple setup. Forget the 57 indicators, the complicated algorithms, and those gurus selling you proprietary systems for $2,000. The most powerful day trading strategy for beginners is actually the simplest one, the breakout and confirmation. Here's the entire strategy in 60 seconds. Step 1. Find stocks with high relative volume. More volume means more momentum and liquidity, exactly what day traders need. I look for stocks trading at least 2 times their average volume before the market even opens. Step 2. Mark the pre-market high and low. These become your key levels, like the support and resistance goalposts that the big money players are watching. Step 3. Wait for a breakout above the pre-market high with increased volume. This isn't just random movement. It's institutional money flowing in. When price breaks through that level and holds for 5 minutes, that's your entry signal. Step 4. Set your stop loss just below the breakout level and take profit at either the previous day's high or when the stock moves 1.5 times your risk. Risk management isn't sexy, but it's how you stay in this game. The beauty of this strategy? It works in any market condition because you are not predicting, you are reacting to what's already happening. You're essentially drafting behind the market movers who are doing all the heavy lifting. Following just this one pattern would have given you 7 winning trades and 3 losers, a 70% win rate with an average return of 2.3% per trade. On a $500 position, that's $11.50 per winning trade. Do that consistently, and you're building something real. Now for the part no one tells beginners. Day trading isn't about hitting home runs. It's about consistent singles and doubles while protecting your capital. Master this one pattern before adding complexity. Want the exact scanner settings I use to find these setups every morning? Hit subscribe and remember, fortune favors the patient trader, not the complicated one.